Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that most men don't talk about, but absolutely should. If you've ever wanted better control downstairs, stronger erections, or a serious boost in stamina, then you're in the right place. This video is for you. Let's get straight to it. We're talking about pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegel exercises for men. I know what you might be thinking, but stick with me. These simple moves are incredibly effective, completely natural, and can be a total game changer for your performance and confidence. So, what exactly is your pelvic floor? Think of it as a muscular hammock that sits right below your bladder and behind your penis. These muscles are unsung heroes. They support your bladder and bowels, and crucially, they play a major role in your sexual performance. When these muscles get weak, it can lead to issues like poor bladder control, softer erections, or finishing way too early. But here's the good news. When you strengthen them, everything changes. Blood flow improves, your control increases, and your confidence skyrockets. So, how do you find these magical muscles? It's surprisingly simple. The next time you're using the bathroom, try to stop the flow of urine midstream. That squeezing sensation you feel. That's Italiano. You've just located your pelvic floor muscles. Now, a quick but important note. Don't make a habit of stopping your pee regularly. Just use this trick once or twice to identify the right spot. Okay, now that you've found them, let's talk about how to train them. It's as easy as this. 1. Tighten those pelvic muscles, just like you did to stop your pee. 2. Hold that contraction for a solid 5 seconds. 3. Then completely relax for 5 seconds. That's 1 repetition. Aim to do 10 reps in a row. Take a short break, and then try to complete 2 to 3 sets of this every single day. If holding for 5 seconds feels too challenging at first, start with 3-second holds and gradually work your way up. Consistency is everything. The best part is you can do these exercises anywhere, anytime sitting at your desk, driving your car, or watching TV. No one will even know. When you do these exercises regularly, the benefits are amazing. We're talking improved erection, strength, increased stamina and control, a huge boost in confidence, help with preventing premature ejaculation, and even better support for your prostate and bladder health. And these aren't just empty claims. These are clinically proven benefits. Plus, you don't need a single piece of gym equipment or any supplements. A couple of pro tips to make sure you're doing it right. First, don't tighten your ABS thighs or butt muscles. The goal is to isolate and focus only on that pelvic floor muscle. Second, don't overdo it. Just like any other muscle, your pelvic floor needs rest to recover and grow stronger. So, my challenge to you is to start today. Just a few minutes a day can genuinely transform your control, your confidence, and your overall performance. A stronger you is waiting. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more content just like this, and share it with a friend. Because men's health deserves to be talked about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.